Welcome to the ARISTO booth for furniture fittings. We will give you a short tour showing you all the exhibits. 4-in-1 system. Folding door. Folding doors allow you to significantly save space. Their compact design is perfectly suitable for the use in small rooms, narrow corridors and niches in the wall, where the installation of sliding doors is not applicable. The doors run smoothly along their tracks, and positioners allow you to choose where the doors are supposed to stop. Stands with door samples for all systems. In this section, we exhibit all of the ARISTO fittings using small mock-up doors. This way of exhibiting allows for direct comparison of all systems and focuses the visitor's attention on the fittings. Nova system with glass. Additional frames from making Nova doors from mirrors and opaque glass were added to the range of system components. Nova with glass, now easier and more durable than ever. ARISTO's new edge system. A cabinet with ARISTO facade profiles and gross hinges. A combination of profiles and pivot fittings for glass doors. Modern aesthetics, minimalistic facades, and nothing extra. Only glass and metal. Exceptional precision. Invisible hinges, ultra-slim handle, and a hidden carcass. Aluminium LED shelf. A set of profiles for the equipment of various size shelves with backlight using LED strips. The assembly does not require any special tools or expensive equipment. For the panels, you can use glass and other materials up to 10 mm thickness. Display rack. Standard system and pure system. Designer's Films collection. Top-hung door with new sequential and synchronous mechanism. Enhancement of our sequential opening. Much smoother, both sequential and synchronous. The new wave system. Subtle thin lines and elegant frames. The variety of the panel materials and the simple assembly make it a relevant addition to your product range. Plus, hidden top tracks that you already know from our Nova system. Wardrobe system ARISTO. New developments. Wardrobe system in a timeless matte black color. Pull-out basket frames with high-quality ball-bearing drawer rails and soft closers. Wall mount plate. Wooden decor in white wood. Accessories shelf with soft closer. Pivot door with style C. Pivot door with style fusion. Pivot door with unique 3D adjustable mechanism. The new swing mechanism allows for much bigger and much heavier pivot doors. Weight up to 50 kg and width up to 800 mm.